Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your student email ID. First, understand the many benefits, like access to free software and exclusive academic resources. Next, visit your university's official website, specifically the IT or Student Services section. You will need to gather a few key documents, such as your acceptance letter and your unique student identification number, before you begin the process. This ensures a smooth setup. Now, let's move on to the application itself. You'll typically find a dedicated student portal or an email activation page on your university's website. Carefully fill out the online form, providing all your personal and enrollment details as requested. It's crucial to accurately verify your identity using your student identification number or any other credentials the university specifies. This step is vital for security. Once you've submitted your application, keep an eye on your personal email inbox. You should receive an activation link or a temporary password from your university. Click the link or use the temporary password to set up a strong, new password for your student email account. Finally, you can access your new email through the university's dedicated webmail portal, usually found on their main site. With your student email now active, it's time to maximize its potential. Explore the numerous free software options and academic resources that become available to you. Always use this official email for all university communications, ensuring you don't miss important updates. Remember to keep your login credentials secure and update your password every few months for optimal protection. Enjoy the benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.